In this video I'm going to show you how you can add your face identification ID so no one else can enter and read your messages within WhatsApp. This adds another layer of protection. If you want to add other layers of protection in WhatsApp, go to playlist at the end where we've got other tips and tricks for using WhatsApp. Please like and subscribe at the end if you found value in this video. Thanks for watching. Go to WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp settings. Go to privacy. Go to app lock. Enable requires Face ID and then adjust your time according to what you want. If you learnt something today, go on and watch another video and learn a bit more. Or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.